The nominations for Champion Plant 2021 are Telangana, Nanjangud, Kashipur, and the winner of Champion Plant 2021 is the Telangana plant.
At Telangana plant, we believe every challenge is an opportunity to get better. And so it was with the COVID-19 last year. Social distancing required meant that a lesser number of people could be deployed online. In line with our mantra, do more with less, not only reduce the number of people deployed online, but also improved our efficiency. Keeping the consumer at heart of everything what we do, we committed ourselves to ensure that every drop goes into bottle, every bottle goes into carton, and every carton reaches the customer. Our overall permit service rate of 100% throughout the year is the measure of this commitment. Cost saving is an attitude. In Telangana plant, each one of us has an attitude.
Hola Primos, we tolerate excellence when we pursue perfection. The Telangana team has demonstrated this by coming out on top for one more year. They demonstrated the fundamentals of continuous improvement. That is, when you are at the top, you challenge yourselves to get better. By doing more with less, they have shown that manufacturing is all about the edge. Every day, great execution. And I must not forget the efforts of all the other plants who showed remarkable execution skills, delivering delight to our consumers amidst the crisis the pandemic had created. Telangana coming out on top is just an example of our Primos. We are all in, going all out for the consumer.